Hey guys, super quick video today on how to make your own heat shield for the BMW E39 5 Series or E38 7 Series. These cars both have their ABS modules located next to the exhaust manifolds of their respective engines, and the heat from said exhaust manifolds typically kills these things. The modules can be rebuilt, but even the rebuilt ones don't last a long time depending on who you get rebuilt by. I'm currently on my third rebuild ABS module, so I figured I'd try to protect it a bit more. Some people do sell heat shield kits for these things for about $200, but I figured that's kind of silly considering you can make one yourself for about 20 bucks of materials. All you need is about 20 bucks of heat shielding from Amazon along with some cardboard to make a template. It is truly that simple. And it's pretty much just about cutting and trial and error, right? So you get yourself some cardboard and you make the shape you desire. Of course, it can be kind of varying in how much you want to cover it and how much you don't want to cover it. You can see how I've done it over here with a couple pieces with one part folding over the side of it, which I'll then rivet together. That's totally optional, but I chose to do it that way. I'm also going to use the two OEM bolt locations to anchor this heat shield into place. Once you've got the template, just start cutting the shield material. And that was quite literally about 20 minutes worth of work. As you can see, I have the entire thing fitted up and it looks pretty darn good too. I did slide it kind of behind the factory heat shield that sits a bit lower, just to anchor further toward the back of the engine bay. All I did was make some slits in my heat shielding to slide over the factory heat shielding. You can also see I've also folded over all of the edges to make sure there are no sharp edges so we don't cut anything. That's pretty important as well. The rivets are by no means necessary, but I thought they made it look a bit nicer, and that's why I included them. But you could also just use a couple metal zip ties if you desired instead. But that's all. Hope it helps.